Sitting on your heels, slowly move on to a table. Exhale and lower the hips to the heels and forehead on the floor. Have the knees together, or if you're more comfortable, spread the knees slightly apart. The arms can be overhead with your palms on the floor. Palms or fists can be stacked under the forehead. Or arms can be alongside the body with palms up. If you feel that your knee is hurting or if you're unable to sit on your heels, you can keep a bolster or blanket between your legs and then do the pose. Or if the top of the foot is stretching too much, then the bolster can be placed just below your feet. Remember that this is a restorative calming pose, so find what works best for you to relax. Breathe slowly and deeply, pressing the belly against the thighs on the inhale. Breathe and hold for 4 to 12 breaths. To release, place the palms under your shoulders and slowly inhale up to a seated position.
So you want to come closer to your wall and place your butt as close as possible, preferably a wall instead of a glass, but it's okay. So just begin to lie down comfortably and place both your legs all the way up. And still just scoot yourself closer to your wall. See, my butt is as close as possible. And now from here, just walk with your heels all the way up. See? And there you have it. So by this method, you can bring your hips off the mat and try to roll your shoulders inside and bring your palms wide nice under your hips and slowly keep breathing. So maintain this posture for a longer time so that your elbows are getting used to the weight of your body, and then from here slowly lift your leg one by one. Hold for 3, 2, 1 and relax. And the other side for 3, 2, 1 and slowly relax. Just sliding your body all the way down and relax.